we are going to create a very simple smart campaign. It will have only 2 tasks in it. So one thing you have to be careful about is that if we are using a hashtag to trigger a campaign or search alert or anything like that, it won't work for a lead that already has that hashtag assigned. All right, make sure you are in marketing and then click on smart campaigns. Okay, we will click on add campaign. Now here we're going to set up a trigger. Trigger is what allows a BoldTrail to start your smart campaign. So something we have, it has to match some condition for an order to start. All right, so we're going to add, I'm going to add trigger. Okay, and first condition will be status. Okay, my status is new lead. Okay, and then I'm going to click add trigger again, and this one will be hashtag is FB reduce list. Okay, let me start it again. All right, so make sure it shows up like that. So if is a new lead and has this hashtag, we're going to start this campaign. This is our trigger, and I'll click next. It's for buyer. Okay, next. I'm going to name it. Okay, so I gave a name, Brampton reduced price list, and little description, campaign for new lead from Facebook ad reduced price list. All right, click next, review, and finish. Okay, here's the campaign that we just created, right? And as you can see, the touches or tasks in there is 0. Okay, so once this gets triggered, nothing will happen, nothing will go out. So what it should do, we're going to do that right now. I'm going to click on this. We will click on add action. Okay, email, right? And here, so I entered a couple of things. So I named my template just in case if I want to use this again. BoldTrail will save this as a template. A subject, reduced price homes in Brampton. Okay, then this is my text. Hey, and here I'm gonna insert a tag. So I'll go space, and then I'll click on this sun looking icon. Okay, click on that, and then click on lead, first name, last name, or full name. Okay, I'm just going to say full name. So this will automatically pull the name and insert it here. So as requested, here's your list, and I don't want to paste the link. The link can be very long when you create squeeze page. So I just used emoji, pointing a finger, view the list, and I'm going to turn this into a link. So what you will do, you will select the whole word or one word or the whole line, whatever you like, and then click on this chain thing. Okay, click on that, and here I'm going to paste my link. Okay, and display view the list, that's already there, and current window or new window. All right, I'm going to say new window. This just means it automatically make a new tab in the browser when they click on it, and I'm going to click save. Okay, and some more text, my signature, contact information, and at the bottom I'm going to insert another tag. Click here again, go to lead, and unsubscribe URL. Okay, this is very important. You're supposed to include this by law, and also if this is included, it helps for your email to not go into spam. Okay, so then we are just going to name, okay, reduce price list from agent to contact, and this I'm going to say run immediately. Okay, as soon as the lead comes in, this goes out. We'll click save change. So that's the email. Now we're going to say add action. We're going to say text or SMS. So here I named my template, and here's my text. Okay, I named my action from again agent to contact, And this one I'm not going to send immediately. I'm going to give a little bit of time. So let's say minutes, and we'll go 10 minutes. Oops. Okay, 5 minutes. And we will click save. All right. So I'm going to stop here, but you can keep on adding this. You can make this as long as you like. I just want to show you simple, a smart campaign that is not a big deal. It's not that hard to create. And to make sure it works, we gotta switch it on. Yes. Okay. So what I'm going to try, I'm going to click on this lead, Ratan Lal, and I'm going to take off this hashtag. Okay, are you sure? Yes. And I am going to add a test lead. I enter this fake information because the only thing we're testing, see if it triggers the campaign. So we have the hashtag and it's a new lead status. Okay, this what's supposed to trigger the campaign. All right, so we're gonna click add contact. Yes. All right, so the campaign did get activated. That's good. And let's go to this lead and we're going to add a hashtag. Okay, FB rules list. All right, that's there. And let me refresh, and here we go. It did get added. So here we go. Our campaign was triggered here. Okay, hashtag was added. Email was sent at 2:06. Okay, this is the email. After 5 minutes, the text has gone.